Pastor Esther Fekumo. I got to know about Astymin. It's so funny, by inspiration. Because I was sick and I had some deficiencies. So as I was moving around, I just had Astymin. Though my daughter took it some time ago. So I just had it, Astymin. Then I said, why Astymin? And I tried it. It's very good. It kept my body very fine. My daughter too was sick some time ago. She took this same Astymin. We boosted her, all the vitamins that were needed in her body. So that is why I got Astymin. So I was very happy. That is, you encouraged us. It's a kind of encouragement. And you are giving out to the society. That is why I was happy. When I used Astymin last year, it was good. I stopped for some time, So when I noticed that I was having this, our food is not quite complete, so I had to get it again. Well, I believed. When you called me, I believed you, because Fitsim is not a common company. Thank you. The Lord will continue to promote Fitsim.
2016. Every time you buy a pack of Astymin, you stand a chance to be one of the winners of 100,000 naira every day in the Astymin Get Alert promo. Simply buy Astymin, your trusted brand of essential amino acid and multivitamins. Scratch the silver panel and send the revealed number to 139. Get Alert every day.